Welcome back to my channel. This is Ratna. Hi everyone. Hope you're doing well today. Wish you a very happy Vinayaka Chathurthi in advance. Here's coconut laddu to celebrate it. So to a pan we will add 2 cups desiccated or dry shredded coconut. If you're using fresh coconut, then cook for 5 minutes on low flame to remove excess moisture. And then we'll add 1/4 teaspoon cardamom powder and mix it well. And finally, we will add half cup sweetened condensed milk and combine everything. Now we'll cook this on low flame for 4 to 5 minutes. When the dough leaves the sides of the pan, we can turn off the flame. While the dough is still warm, we will roll it into lemon-sized balls and roll it in some desiccated coconut and uniformly coat it. Coconut laddu is ready and you can serve it warm or chilled. I really hope you'll make it. That's all in today's segment. Thank you for watching. Hope you liked it. Thank you for liking, commenting, sharing and subscribing. For channel updates, press the bell icon. See you next time. Until then, take good care of yourself. Stay healthy, stay positive. You have a good day or a good night. Bye.